Hello students, today we are going to start with new topic, chapter number 4, environmental management. Today we are also going to cover the contents such as relationship between environment and ecosystem, and next is pollution and types of pollution. Now what is an environment? Environment means physical, biological and chemical factors affecting the living organism. It includes biotic, abiotic, natural and artificial factors. म्हणजेच सजीवांवर जेव्हा भौतिक, जैविक आणि रासायनिक घटकांचा परिणाम होतो तेव्हा यालाच आपण पर्यावरण म्हणूया. Now, environment is divided into two types, natural environment and artificial environment. Now, what is meant by natural environment? It consists of air, atmosphere, water, land, etc. In the next slide, you can also see some birds that are biotic components are interacting with abiotic components such as water, soil, etc. So it is a one type of natural environment. In the next pic also you can see the flowers. Here the flowers are the biotic components and they are also interacting with abiotic components. So it is a one type of natural environment. Now we will see what is meant by artificial environment. A man-made environment is called as an artificial environment. Artificial environment is formed as a result of human modifications in natural environment. म्हणजे जेव्हा मानव हे नैसर्गिक पर्यावरणामध्ये हस्तक्षेप करतो तेव्हा त्याला म्हणायचं आहे आर्टिफिशियल एन्व्हायरमेंट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल फार्म्स, cities, these are the examples of artificial environment. Now environment is also going to form the ecosystem. Now in this slide you can see some living organisms, that means biotic components, and also non-living components such as abiotic components. Now what are the living components over here? Producers, consumers and decomposers. These are the biotic components. And what are the abiotic components? Sunlight, wind, water, rain, soil. These are the abiotic components. So there is a continuous interaction between biotic and abiotic components which are going to form the ecosystem. Now also we are going to study environmental conservation. Now why environmental conservation is necessary? Why there is a need of environmental conservation? Because environment is getting polluted day by day. So we are going to study about environmental pollution. Let's study what is environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is defined as contamination of the physical, biological components of the earth, atmosphere to such an extent that normal environmental processes are adversely affected. Direct or indirect changes in physical, chemical and biological properties of air, water and soil which will be harmful to human and other living beings is called as an environmental pollution. Now let's study the types of pollution. In this slide you can see water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies usually as a result of human activities. Water bodies includes lakes, rivers, oceans, groundwater, etc. Now there are various reasons of water pollution. First one is industrial waste. आपल्या सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की कंपन्यातला टाकाऊ पदार्थ काही वेळेला पाण्यामध्ये सोडला जातो आणि त्याच्यामुळे पाणी पोल्यूट होणार आहे, मीन्स देर विल बी अ वॉटर पोल्युशन. देन सेकंड ॲक्टिव्हिटी इज मायनिंग. मायनिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटी कॅन ऑल्सो कॉज वॉटर पोल्युशन. खोदकाम करण्यामुळे सुद्धा काही टाकाऊ पदार्थ पाण्यामध्ये मिसळला जातो किंवा काही घातक पदार्थ पाण्यामध्ये मिसळला जातो आणि पाण्याचं प्रदूषण होऊ शकतो. तिसरं महत्त्वाचं कारण असू शकेल ॲक्सिडेंटल ऑइल लिकेज. काही वेळेला काही जहाजांमधून ऑइल ट्रान्सपोर्ट केला जातो आणि चुकून जर ऑइल स्पिल झालेलं असेल तर त्याच्यामुळे सुद्धा पाण्याचं प्रदूषण होऊ शकते. Next is air pollution. You can see this slide. Air pollution is the mixture of solid particles and gases in air. Air, car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust, pollen, mold, spores may be suspended as particles. म्हणजे हवेच्या कणामध्ये जर कार एमिशन्सचे गॅसेस असतील, केमिकल्स असू शकेल, डस्ट पार्टिकल्स असू शकतील आणि त्याच्यामुळे एअर पोल्युशन किंवा हवेचं प्रदूषण होऊ शकते. नेक्स्ट इज sound pollution. Now sound pollution can be also called as a noise pollution. Noise pollution can be defined as any disturbing or unwanted noise that harms human. Now what are the sources? Traffic noise would be the source, construction sites, fights of neighbors, industries. And what are the cause? आणि ह्याच्यामुळे होणारे दुष्परिणाम कोणकोणते असू शकतील? इट कॅन कॉज इमोशनल डिस्टर्बन्स, सायकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट, हिअरिंग लॉस म्हणजे त्या व्यक्तीला जास्त आवाज ऐकल्यामुळे ऐकण्याची क्षमता कमी होऊ शकते. हाय ब्लड प्रेशर म्हणजेच हायपरटेन्शनचाही त्रास होऊ शकतो. नेक्स्ट इज सॉईल पोल्युशन. सॉईल पोल्युशन मीन्स लँड डिग्रेडेशन caused by chemicals released from industries, agricultural pesticides, insecticides and overdose of fertilizers. म्हणजेच शेती व्यवसायामध्ये जर आपण अत्याधिक खताचा वापर केला किंवा पेस्टिसाइड्सचा वापर केला असेल तर त्याच्यामुळे सुद्धा मातीचं प्रदूषण होऊ शकतो. तर अशा प्रकारे आपण काही प्रदूषणाविषयी माहिती घेतलेली आहे आणि त्यामुळेच आपण असं म्हणूया, so it is a need of our to conserve our environment. Thank you very much.